Okay, so we're going to start looking at the 3.1 through 3.3 quiz review. So for the directions of the first three, we want to rewrite each of these logs as an exponential. So we do our iHeart logs for each of them. Remember, we start with the furthest leftmost number or variable, and we move to the right to make our heart. So this would be 9 to the 5 halves equals 243. And this would be a to the 6th equals g. And then finally this one would be 1/3 to the 4th equals 81. To the negative 4th, excuse me. Right, so these are the steps that we're going to want to take going from both exponential to log and log to exponential. So for the next three, we're going to look at transforming these from exponential actually to a log base. So we want to do the exact same thing. Start with the furthest most left number or variable, and we make our heart. So the first thing we always have to write, when we're dealing with logarithms is log. And then the first thing that we come in contact with, base 3/7. Second thing is a 1, and it equals 0. So we do that again. We write our log, start with the furthest most number or variable. We have 1, 2, 3. So we write it exactly like that. First thing we come in contact with is our base, and then our number 16 is equal to 2/3. And then finally for our last one, we have log base 100 tenths equals 1/2. So that is how we go about solving for each of the first 6 problems where we want to change it from an exponential to a log and a log to an exponential. So now we want to rewrite in expanded form using properties of logs and express powers as factors. Okay, so we look at number 7, and we want to rewrite this. And so we want to expand it out. So we have, this is equal to log base j x, and this 2 comes out in front, plus 4 log base j y. So basically why the 2 and the 4 come out is because that is the point at where, remember, we have to remember our power, our power property for logs and exponentials, that anytime we have anything in the degree, we can bring it out in front. So that's where we can use this. So if you don't remember that, that's where you would want to reflect on your properties for logarithms. So then we go and we start looking